Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to set up different production operations flow in Kladana using routings. In production, routings are used to define the sequence of operations or process required to manufacture a product. This helps in tracking progress, ensuring consistency, and optimizing resource usage. You can create sequences with operations that can be done at any time or operations that depend on each other. For example, there's a difference in routing sequences for t-shirt and bicycle production. T-shirt production is a sequence of consistent operations. Stitching cannot be started before fabric cutting. If we look at bicycle production, we see that some operations are going in parallel. So let's see how we can create different routings in Kladana. For the t-shirt production, we have created routing with operation sequences, where the next operation cannot be started if the previous one was not done. This sequence rule can be done with one click. Just choose option, fill in the next stages in consecutive order. When we create a production order, we see that you cannot start all operations together. You should do it step by step. First, fabric cutting, then stitching, then buttoning, and etc. Routing is a sequence of operations or processes required to manufacture a product. You can set up parallel operations or dependent operations. When we create a routing for bicycle production where some operations can be done in parallel, we should add the same final operation for these operations. In our case, the next operation for frame, wheel, and saddle assembly is the final assembly. When you create a production order for the bicycle, you see that several operations can be started and can be done in parallel. First, we need to finish parts production. After that, we can do parts assembly at the same time. What if you have a production where all operations can be done at the same time or at any time? For example, we buy all the parts for bicycles and need only to assemble them. In this case, in routing, we will choose the option to set the final stage as the next stage for all stages. In the production order for that product, all operations can be done in parallel. That's all about routings in Kladana. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.